In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly trim a video in Canva. From the home screen, I'll start by selecting the landscape video category to open up a fresh project. I can browse through the various templates or choose a specific one that fits my needs. I'll go ahead and select this ocean video template and click Customize to open it in the editor. Once the project loads, I can see the video on my timeline. To start editing, I click on the video clip to select it, which brings up the editing toolbar at the top. I'll click the scissors icon labeled with the video's duration to open the trim tool. Now, I can see the zoomable timeline at the top of the screen. I'll grab the purple handles on either side and drag them inward to cut out the parts I don't want. As I move the sliders, the updated duration shows right next to the handles, making it easy to get the exact length I need. Once I'm happy with the new start and end points, I simply click Done. My video is now trimmed and ready for the rest of my project.